Hello students, how are you all doing? I think you have enjoyed your vacation really well and I hope that you have also studied in between. Now that the holidays are over, let us get back to our regular classes. Before the vacation, I have already taught you to write capital cursive alphabets and small cursive alphabets, which you have learned previously in nursery class. Now we will repeat how to write small cursive alphabets. Before starting, let us look at all the alphabets in small cursive. Now you listen carefully and repeat with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Children, take out your My Cursive book, pencil and eraser. Taken out? Good. Students, now open your book. This is page number 2. Now you have to write here today's date. Okay? As well as in page number 3, page number 4 and page number 5. Now let me show you how to write small cursive alphabets A, B, C, D. All of you write with me. To write small cursive alphabet A, start from third line and go up to the second line. Then come back with a curve to the third line and make a round. Then come down and finish with a curve. This is small cursive A. To write small cursive B, start from third line and go up to the first line, then down a reverse curve and go till the third line and make another curve towards second line and draw a small round and finish it like this. This is how to write small cursive B. Small cursive A, small cursive B. Written. Let me show you few more lines. Small cursive A, small cursive B, small cursive A, small cursive B. Written. Good. Small cursive A, small cursive B, small cursive A, small cursive B. Written. Small cursive A, small cursive B, small cursive A, small cursive B. All of you written. Very good. To write small cursive C, start from third line and go up to the second line and make a little curve inwards. From here we will make another reverse curve to downwards which touches the third line and finish it like this. This is how to write small cursive C. To write small cursive D, we have to start from third line and make a round here Then go up to the first line and come down to the third line and finish it with a little curve. This is how to write D. Small cursive C, small cursive D. Let me show you few more lines. Small cursive C, small cursive D, small cursive C, small cursive D. All of you written? Good. Small cursive C, small cursive D, small cursive C, small cursive D, small cursive C, small cursive D, small cursive C, small cursive D. All of you written? Good. Students, page number 3 and page number 5 are your homework for today. Children, practice at home. Thank you. Bye-bye.